Hey, Amazon seller. I'm Justin Boggs, the co-founder and chief revenue officer of Marketplace Valet. We have been an Amazon seller since 2006 with over 400,000 reviews as a seller. I'm here to help you learn about Amazon, solve problems, and answer common questions. Today's video is about Amazon advertising disaster avoided with one simple fix. Let's get into it. This account was in serious trouble. The advertising campaigns were a complete mess. Too many targets, too many campaigns, and no real control over ad spend. And the worst part, one ad group had over 700 targets. That's an enormous number, and when you combine that with software optimizing bids multiple times a day, it creates chaos. Some bids were set as high as $5 or $6 per click, and that was driving costs through the roof without delivering the expected sales. To get this account back on track, the first step was a complete cleanup. And during this process, we found something really interesting. Sales were primarily happening on Sundays, Mondays, and Tuesdays. This showed a clear purchasing pattern, meaning that the same bidding strategy shouldn't be applied throughout the week. The best approach? Day parting. Day parting allows for bid adjustments based on when sales are most likely to happen. By focusing the ad spend on high conversion days and cutting back during low performing ones, we were able to improve efficiency and bring the ACOS down. At the same time, another major challenge was affecting performance. Stock issues. The top performing product had switched from FBA to FBM, leading to a higher ACOS due to increased shipping times and lower conversion rates. A deep dive into placements revealed that most impressions and clicks were coming from product detail pages rather than top of search. This meant that the ad budget wasn't being spent in the most effective way. To solve this, we adjusted placement bids, reducing spend on lower performing placements while reallocating budget toward high performing ones. But bid adjustments don't stop there. One crucial factor to consider is the bidding strategy. When using up and down bidding, Amazon's system can increase bids by up to 100%, which can cause unpredictable spending spikes. To maintain better control, we switched to down-only or fixed bids depending on the campaign's performance. With these optimizations, day parting, placement adjustments, and bid strategy refinements, the campaign saw a significant turnaround. The high ACOS came under control, and the ad spend became more efficient. This proves that even in cases where PPC campaigns are struggling, making targeted adjustments based on real data can transform performance and drive better results. If you have any questions, feel free to check us out at marketplacevalet.com. Like and follow us for more helpful Amazon content. Thanks for watching this video.